In this video, I will demonstrate the steps to resolve the could not complete your purchase. Check that you have the correct country selected in your Play Store account error. If you encounter this error while attempting to make a purchase, fret not, as I will guide you through a simple solution. To begin, navigate to the settings of your Android phone and scroll down. Tap on Apps, followed by the Search Apps icon. In the search bar, type Play Store and select the Google Play Store app. Once the Play Store app is open, tap on Storage, then Clear Cache, and finally, Clear Data. To complete the process, simply restart your Android phone. After the restart, attempt to make the purchase again, and you will find that the error has been successfully resolved. If this video has been helpful to you, please leave a like and comment below. Thank you for watching.